Hello, my name is Keith Effert with NIDEK. Today I'm going to provide a brief demonstration of the NIDEK CEM-530 Specular Microscope. Now I'm going to provide you an overview of the touch screen on the CEM-530 Specular Microscope. Select here to enter the patient's ID, last name, first name, middle, date of birth, memo, and gender. Menu tab for your settings. Fixation points. With the CEM-530, we're able to acquire endothelial cell images from central, paracentral, and periphery. The device itself will automatically move from number 1 to number 2, number 2 to number 3, so forth and so on, depending on patient's fixation movement of the internal fixation dot. Not all of these need to be selected. You can customize the area that you would like to take an endothelial cell image. So, for example, if you would like to take 3, 2 paracentral and 1 central, the specular microscope will take 1, it'll move to 2, and it will take 3 and automatically capture. Auto means auto shot. Manual means manual shot by pressing the joystick button. Auto tracking on all 3 axes. Auto tracking on the 2 axes, X and Y only, not Z. And then off. Anterior view, and then cell view. And your results tab. To delete the patient data, you would click on the delete tab. The count tells you how many images are taken on the right and how many images have been taken on the left. This display down here tells you the area that we're going to be capturing. If you select multiple areas, those areas will end up pink until they are completely taken.